Welcome to Port Barton, this wonderful place here, and I will provide for you this video. There are accommodations between 600 and 2,500 peso. I think this is quite okay. Maybe not so much for travelers, but there are also hostels. But most of the places are resorts lying directly on the beach. So you have to pay this. And I love this place now. Now here are the local people living, searching for the bridge. I searched for the bridge, so to go over this very beautiful river, which is going here into the sea. And here are some mangroves, everything very natural. I imagine that there is also fish in the water, it's moving. So very beautiful bridge made out of wood. And here I'm arriving again to the other side of the beach. Green. Now I start here a very romantic way up to a very beautiful place of a German man. His name is Walter from Bavaria. Here around the corner, look to these beautiful steps. Now we have here the most beautiful view over the bay, and behind there are these beautiful bungalows. Ready for takeoff with the drone! I hope you enjoyed this wonderful flight with the drone through Walter's place. Now going backwards again, down through this beautiful jungle. And I have to make quickly because it will be dark at the moment. Now here are some impressions before it gets night. And it is so beautiful here. So when you like this video, please thumbs up. And when you want to watch more videos, please subscribe to my channel. I love you, everybody. I love the Philippines. I love traveling. I love vegan food. And so we go on. Thank you. Bye bye. Till the next video.